This is Jamie with BarEye. In this video we're going to show you how to get started with the BarEye bar inventory application by scanning your first few vessels into your counting map. In order to do that, we'll need to do two preparation steps. The first is going to be to download the device specific version, and the second step is going to be to connect our trusty barcode so we can look up items using their existing manufacturer barcodes rather than getting confused and looking at the wrong size or wrong name or wrong flavor or year, all that jazz. So let's get started here. So in order to get started, you'll need to log in to the browser version. You'll notice in the browser version, of course, ideally you're in a Chrome window. You also know you're in the browser version because you'll have the full list of options. As you may know, BarEye requires that you are using the counting application on either a Windows laptop or an iPad. We do not currently support phones due to the small screen size and the specific design of the software that allows us to see more items at a time on a large map. So if you are using a laptop or a Windows device, the first thing is to download the device specific version. On the bottom of the main menu here, click on settings, click on the top menu here, and then click to download the desktop application. If you are on an iPad, simply go to the App Store, look up bar-I, and follow the steps to download that. And then you'll use the same login details as you're using on the device version, on the browser version. If you can't remember those, a little trick here: if you log out, it will show you the information, and then you can use that to log in to the device version. So that's the first step, is we've now downloaded the device version. I can show you here that when you're in the device version, it looks a little bit different. You're going to have less options on the side here, and you'll have the version number at the top rather than being in a browser window. So the system is quite simple for the desktop version. To connect this barcode scanner, all you need to do is, you'll notice that when we sent you this, we charged it. And we also connected this keyback device so that you can hang it on your waistband and it's out of the way when you don't need it. You've got two hands to count, but you do have it available. You can't put it down and lose it when you're in a storage area or setting things up. So this is a really good tool, and we really strongly recommend you connect it to your waistband. So if you're using a desktop, you'll need to connect using the default mode and the dongle. So if you flip the barcode up and look inside the handle, you'll notice a shiny black square or rectangle. You can pull that out. That's a USB dongle. Simply plug it into your device and you're all set. Slightly more complicated if you're using an iOS or an iPad. In that case, you'll need to pull out your instruction manual. Grab that right here. So when we mailed it in the little brown box, this instruction manual came. Turn to page 2 and you'll notice this page in front of you here. So by default, it's set to work off the Bluetooth dongle. With an iPad, you don't have a USB port. So what you need to do is scan this bottom barcode using your barcode scanner. Go ahead and do it twice, and you'll get a confirmation sort of beep. And then just go into the settings module of your iPad, follow the steps to connect it, and it'll be called something like NETM or NT barcode. If and when you need to switch back to using the dongle, you would scan this top barcode again on page 2 of the instruction manual. So presuming now we've complete those two steps, we've downloaded the device specific version onto my laptop or my iPad, and I've now connected the barcode. So the barcode, you notice when connected, initially when it's not connected, this light is flashing. When it's connected, in this case on Bluetooth, you'll notice it will turn solid blue. From that point forward, very simple. Go into the device version, click on Setup Zones. We've pre-built some zones for you here, and then really simple. You just take a test product. I suggest using a popular product that's definitely going to be in our master list, and then simply scan the barcode. So about 6 inches away, scan the item, and as quick as you can pick the bottles up, you can add the items. We have a database of around 33,000 as of recording time for this video, so you should find the majority of items already in the system. If they're not, remember to look them up by name before you add them into the system. To look them up by name, you can just type here, type the item name, and I'm just showing off here. We've got 100 items with the word Bacardi, which is why we recommend using barcodes, not looking items up by name. If you're looking up things like kegs, look up the brewery name a few different ways, as well as the beer name, because for instance at the moment, if I look up Fat Tire, if I put New Belgium Fat Tire, it's only going to show up following them because we use the abbreviation NB. We're updating this as we go, but you'll notice that we've got a lot more if we use NB. So the best way to look it up is to look up something like Fat Tire, and then you'll see the keg versions in different sizes as well as the bottled and canned versions. As always, thanks for watching, and if you have any other questions, please drop us an email or a text, and we'll be happy to upload a new video to help you. Thanks so much.